hold on a minute. Okay, now?
You drain the water from the hummus a little bit, خليه في الكان.
Okay.
And you will put it in the Cuisinart.
Okay. We're making hummus. Okay, this garbanzo beans were boiled first.
Okay.
We drained some of the liquid in here in the can.
Liquid, a little bit of salt.
Okay. That's probably what,
Lemon
like
juice.
half a teaspoon maybe?
Yeah, less.
Less than
lemon
half a teaspoon?
juice.
Lemon juice. How
Maybe-
many lemons do you think?
Maybe 2 tablespoons, maybe 2. It depends. You taste it.
Okay.
But then maybe 3 big
Spoons?
tahini sauce.
Oh, tahini sauce. Okay.
Maybe 3 big,
Spoons of that?
yeah.
Okay, of tahini. Okay.
And then you add a little bit of water. And
Okay, then you're going to add a little bit of the garbanzo bean water.
then you start to grind.
Okay. And you want to grind it so it's very smooth.
Then you taste. Here, Mom put it
No, okay.
in for me.
Let's see.
A little bit lemon.
No, I taste the lemon. Maybe a little bit of lemon, but it tastes good.
A little bit
It's delicious.
Tahini sauce.
Yeah, just a little bit.
And that's it.
That's the way you make it.
Mm-hmm.
The way it's been made for how many years, Khalti?
It's been a long time, yes.
Many, many years.
Many years. And because I don't know nothing before.
Yeah?
Never do anything.
And then how did you learn?
I start to ask my sister and my sister-in-law. I always done.
Uh-huh.
I was in boarding school, never cook
Oh,
at home.
okay.
Came to school to United States, get married,
Uh-huh.
and I don't know nothing about cooking.
Yeah.
Little by little, and after 60 years, I learned everything.
Oh, that's good. So it's never too late, right? It's never
Never.
too late.
Never.
Okay, let me look at this, how smooth it is.
Need, I think, a little bit water.
Yeah, you need to get, a little bit of water. You want the consistency to be very smooth, not chunky.
Mm. Mm.
You just keep tasting it until it tastes good to you.
Mm-hmm.
Not too much salt.
Little bit.
Yeah. Yeah.
This side.
Yeah, I've got a small one, yeah.
Because I never have this one. My friend, she give it to me.
Oh, really?
I have the little tiny one for
Yeah.
to chop the garlic.
Yeah, no, I have a small one like this so I can make things like this.
That's it.
Here, let me taste.
So delicious.
And the consistency.
That's it.
It's perfect.
You need anything?
No. So this is hummus made by my khalti Salwa. Khalti. Okay, after this, you put it in a dish and you just put a little bit of olive oil.
And if you want to put a little paprika to, and some around it, some jalapeno around it, and piece of pickles around.
Oh yeah, pickles to decorate the plate. And then sometimes what we do is, don't we put the hummus down and then we fry up some meat, lamb meat?
Yeah, this is for breakfast.
Yeah, for breakfast.
With the pine nuts.
Yeah, you fry up some meat and pine nuts, and then you put it on top and you eat it for breakfast. All right, let's.
For any time.
Yeah, let's look. Tahini. And then these are the chickpeas. And then here you go. Hummus.
Control your chicken.
Oh, wait, say it again.
When you're cooking chicken,
Uh-huh.
you have to control how you're cooking this chicken.
Right.
As you see, we got the fire on a real hot temperature.
Yeah.
So I try to put all my chicken on the side of the grill, so that way I control it.
Right.
The heat will hit the skin if it's in the dead center of it,
Yeah. It'll burn it.
and it'll burn it. It'll cook it faster than it'll cook the meat.
Yeah. Yeah.
And so you want to put it on the side, and then as you get the chicken going,
Uh-huh.
15 minutes, and I'll be 15 minutes.
Those chicken wings look so
I'll
good.
go on my 4-minute each side timer, and I do it for about 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Estimated 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
And then I start to put more stuff
Mm-hmm.
in the middle of the grill.
Yeah.
Kebab, hot dog,
Yeah.
hamburgers.
Yeah. Now these
Okay.
are kebabs
These are kebabs right
with
over here.
with the parsley and the onions.
Parsley. These are California hot dogs. We'll top on in a
Yeah,
little
those
while.
are nice big hot dogs.
All right.
What else we got?
Now we're gonna flip these.
Mm-hmm.
Now these chickens been on now for 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Flip them.
Oh, those look good.
Keep everything under control.
Yep. Perfect day for grilling today,
Perfect
huh?
day for grilling.
Yep. Nice and breezy.
Yeah.
Not too hot.
Perfect. Boom. 15 minutes. Look how good those chicken wings. You see how when you cook
Yeah.
them like this on the side, they're not getting scorched,
Right.
but at the same time they're getting cooked real good.
Yeah.
You get that full barbecue flavor.
Yeah.
So we're looking at 15 minutes,
Mm-hmm.
and then I'll see where we're at.
Okay.
I'll begin the sauce. Now let's
Flip those
flip these
kebabs.
kebabs real quick. Look at that.
Ooh.
Look at the
Nice
marks on
grill
those kebabs
marks,
right
yeah.
there. Grill marks. And we'll go right here, bam. Right there,
Yeah.
bam.
Mr. Kebabs.
Bobby Flay, eat your heart out. You're not the only one who knows how to barbecue. There's someone out here in California, San Francisco. His name is Chef Nadal. And this is live on the grill over here, 39th Avenue, San Francisco, California. And we got a little
What else do we got?
saxophone music on.
Yeah. Little mood music. Let me see what else you got over there.
And then what I'll do is
Here, let me
I'll get
see.
this one right over here.
We've got some burgers with
Burgers.
parsley and mint in them also. Here's mine. It's a plain burger.
Here's a plain burger.
Got some good barbecue sauce there.
Good barbecue sauce
And
there.
then here's our chicken. We got corn grilling.
We
Or
got corn
corn.
upstairs. We got ribs in the oven.
We got ribs in the
we
oven.
got beautiful men all the way from Frederick, Maryland, visiting family in San Francisco, California.
Yeah.
Of course, we have beautiful special occasions like this quite often.
Yeah. Ooh, that's looking good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now these are going to be sauced up
Yeah.
in 2 more minutes.
Okay.
I'll begin to sauce these up.
Okay.
Okay.
Or you're gonna put barbecue sauce on them too.
Yeah. Put barbecue sauce
Yeah.
on.
You gotta be careful. Those little kebabs. You gotta use that spatula.
Yep. Exactly.
Yep.
You got to.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that looks so good.
So these actually cook a lot more quicker than I tried it before, and I put them on there a little bit more
Yeah.
longer than you don't even need that much. So,
Uh,
okay, now we got to hit these up with some
You're
sauce.
gonna sauce them up now, okay? Once we sauce them up, I'm gonna go upstairs and see what else is going on in the
That's
kitchen.
it.
We
And
made
then
the
by that time,
hummus.
yeah.
We got the hummus is ready. Oh, and
Cool.
we got potato salad too. Mom's potato salad.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Here we go.
Sauce is up slowly now.
Sauce these up. Ooh, that looks good. When I come out to Cali, I get treated like a queen.
That's it. That's it.
Yep.
Come back over here, sauce this up.
Yep.
Nice and easy. Right there. See now they're cooking.
Look at that. That looks
Now
so
we gotta
good.
watch it now because now
Mm-hmm.
that's when you really get them as far as on the side as you can.
Yeah.